Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how to fix Spotify wrap not working. So we all know that Spotify has just launched its new 2022 wrap for everyone, but what if it's not showing? So when the Spotify wrap is not showing, you can just do one thing. You can just go to your Play Store and just check whether your Spotify has been in the updated version or not. And if it's still not working, you can just restart your phone because when I just start recording the video, it has been not showing over here. So I just restarted my phone. But still, if it is not working, what you have to do is just go to your settings, and over settings just go to the general part over here, and from over here you have to just search for Spotify and just click on Spotify over here. After that, what you have to do is just go to the storage, and from here you have to just delete all the cache data, and after that it will be just shown over here. But if it's not showing, you can just do one more thing. You can just write an email to the Spotify and it will just fix it as soon as possible. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.